Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will introduce you with a new electronic simulator where you can simulate your embedded system projects or electronic circuits with microcontroller. If you want to simulate your embedded system projects and you can't afford the softwares like Proteus, so you don't need to worry. There is another alternative simulator called SimulIDE. SimulIDE is a simple real-time electronic circuit simulator which is open source. It is not so much professional as compared to Proteus, but it is very easy to use and have enough features for hobbyists and students to learn and do projects with microcontrollers like PIC, AVR and Arduino boards.
So first we will see the steps of installing the SimulIDE into our system. So open the browser and go to Google and type only SimulIDE. Then go to the second link. It is the SimulIDE official website www.simulide.com. So this is the official website. So here all the details of the software is available. You can see all the features of the SimulIDE: analog, digital component, microcontroller, code editor, debugger. So all these features and tools are provided by the SimulIDE. There are many. So just go to downloads and here select your OS. So it is available for Windows 64 as well as 32 Linux and also for Mac OS. So download the latest version. Just select your OS and click on it and just save. So it will download the zip file in your system. So the download is complete. Now we will see. So the zip file has been downloaded. So you have to extract this file. So I have already extracted the file. So I am directly going into the location where I have extracted this file earlier, and I will directly open the SimulIDE. So locally C, program files, SimulIDE. Then we have to go into the bin folder and scroll down. There will be a exe file. Just open it or run it. Get open. So I hope you have understood the installation steps of the SimulIDE. So just we have to download the file from the internet, unzip it and open the exe file. So once you run the simulide.exe file from the bin folder, the SimulIDE will get open. So this is the user interface you can see on our window. So in this area we can build a schematics, and this is the components toolbar. So you can see all the components are available. So these are all the meters for measurement purpose: voltmeter, ampere meter, scope is also there. So these are the voltage sources. Here all are the input devices like switch, then passive component, active component, output devices, LED, display, motor, buzzer. Now these are the microcontroller parts. So the SimulIDE supports the simulation for peak AVR. Also Arduino boards are also available. Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega. So this all Arduino boards are board simulation are supported by SimulIDE. So the user interface is very much friendly. It is very easy to use. So to make a circuit, you just have to drag the components you want, and you can start. It's very easy to just drag and drop the components and do the connections. So I have already built a one good circuit, so I will just open it and simulate it. So here I have created a small circuit using a 8 mega 3280 controller. So I have connected the 8 LEDs on the port B. On each pin there is a one LED from B0 to B7, and on the port D I have connected a relay. So on the pin 1 of the port D there is a relay, and the relay will switch on the buzzer. So before running the simulation, we have to burn the hex file of a program onto the controller. So we will see how to burn the hex file into the controller. So before burning the hex file, you have to develop your program for the controller, compile it, and then you have to generate the hex file. So I have made a simple program for this circuit which will send the values from 0 to 255 on the port D, and also make the port D high to turn on the relay, and the buzzer will make a sound. So I have already developed a program using HTML Studio, and also I have generated the hex file. So I will directly show you how to burn the hex file onto the SimulIDE controller. So just right click on the controller, and you can see the option here, load the firmware. So click on load the firmware. Now you have to locate your hex file here. So my hex file here is on the HTML Studio folder, project, this is application file, debug. So this is my hex file of the program. So I have burned my hex file onto the controller. Now I will just run the simulation. So this is the button to start the simulation, the red one. Just click. You can see the simulation has get started. As you can see, LEDs are getting blinking. So I have sent the values on the port B from 0 to 255. So according to that, LEDs are getting turning on and off. And also you can see here the relay gets trigger. Once again I stop it, so it gets stopped. Now there is some buzzer sound also, if you can hear. So as you can see, it's very much simple to use SimulIDE. You have to just create your circuits and burn your program into the controller and run the simulation to test it. So I hope you have understood the procedure of the SimulIDE. So it is very simple to use, and it is still under development. So I recommend you to do it yourself, because more you do practicals, better you know the concept. So I am stopping my video here. Soon I will be back with my next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our Instagram page Space Tonics. Bye bye.